got a train. I mean, yeah, I got a train. Somebody really sold me a train. And I have no idea how to use it. That's what we're going to figure out because I have plans. I have very, very big plans. And it does involve this plot of land right here. Oh my god, it is so like it's always so laggy when you just log on. So let me explain. Yesterday, um yesterday I saw that you could get a train from a crate. And I was like, yes, please, can I have one? I ended up buying one. And now I have a train. But that's not it. I also had it came to me after I clicked it down. It says, oh, you can only place it on rails. What am I going to use a train for? And then it hit me. A skeleton arrow. But, so basically, like a while after I got off and started thinking about it, and I came up with this idea. Why do I have to create keys? Hmm? So the idea that I got was that village that I'm building right now, it's going to be that, a village. But I'm going to build a railroad that goes to a castle. And let's see what we get. I already have like plenty of those. Carry a pickaxe. I kind of got a goat pickaxe, but hey. So that is my idea, and I don't know how to execute it, but it's going to happen. But that also means that I have to clear out a long path in a circle for the train. Which I am kind of excited about, kind of not. I mean, like, anything to just procrastinate doing the interior of that and finishing it. But so the reason why I'm choosing it here is because I have like a pretty flat area over here, and also it's going to be like right behind, only a few hundred blocks. Only I could see that'd be great, but hey, you can't get everything. It just seems big. I do want to take this out. Oh, I got a pretty flat area. And I think I'm just going to do some clearing of this area, kind of try to cover up this hole, and then I'll be back in a second because it's going to take a while. Okay, so I have done it. Pretty much cleared out. I also did some terraforming over there just so it would be more flat. And basically my idea is to train traffic to go around, come up, go, I don't know, like 100 blocks or so that way, loop around and then come back and connect. So it's a giant loop. It's a giant oval basically. But I need to figure out how long I want to make the track. So can you buy like rails? I mean, I'm guessing not, but I haven't tried. Yeah, no. That's fine. I have a lot of. Actually running pretty low on iron, and I don't even know how I got these. So we just use our well. Wait, am I selling? No buying. Good. Pretty sure it's like this. Yep. Okay. We're going to need a lot of these. I think that's enough for now. I'm just going to start a little track over here. And I can also build the train station at a later date. Right now, I don't even know how big this train is going to be. That is basically how wide it is. I'm just going to give it a little more space on this side because I have no idea how big it is. This kind of shows, since I'm not like turning the train track sides at the ends. So it kind of just shows like what I might have to deal with. So I'm going to move this up a little bit. I have a lot of wood. Okay then. So I'm going to actually chip this way. We have too much. So I can terraform this later. Or right now. It's just simple like that. Sure. And this needs to go. Just touch it. So so this is 7,123. So if we go over there, maybe 7,223 or so. I don't know if that's too short. Why do you have to be straight in the way? Be normal. You too. Oh my god, it's like train of them. All trying to block my train. Keep going. In this line. This would be 100 blocks away. So, I didn't mean to take a screenshot. There's my phone. About right here. That's pretty far away. I'd say like 100 blocks is good. Because we also don't want it too far because we want to be able to see the castle from our base, or else it's kind of like pointless. Yeah, like the thing about me is I don't use hotkeys. Like a lot of people who play on PC and stuff do, and then I'm sitting here like trying to go to one thing for 5 minutes straight because I don't use hotkeys. Oh, okay, so we need a lot more rails. Right now, I want to make that. I don't feel like taking my time to do like actual calculations for how much I need. My phone again. Right now I'm busy playing Minecraft at like 7:30 in the morning. Always the trees. Always in the way. Okay, well, I definitely made too many, but it's fine. So just have to cut down a few more trees, and then this is kind of like the base for the station. And I'm going to let you know now this castle is going to be pretty big. I already have half the design for it. I just need to execute the plan. First, before I do anything else, I want to see what a train looks like. And okay. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Okay, this is actually pretty sick. I wish there were like train carts that could go along with it, but oh. And it's pretty fast. Like, how did it turn around? Like, did it? It did. Oh, wrong way. How do you turn around? No. Damn. Oh, this is kind of sick. Oh my. I think I broke it. What did I just do? So this is the base for it. Now that I see it, I'm definitely making a train station. And I just need spruce for it, which I did not collect before. So I'm going to collect some spruce real quick. Be right back. Interesting development. I just got kicked from the server for anti-cheat. Um, I am super confused. Also, there's a person here called Siga. Apparently, they're a subscriber, and I'm just so I wasn't even doing anything. I was just making a platform for the train station. Uh, okay, well, I'm super confused now. Uh, but person here, their name is Siga. If you see in the tab list right below my name, apparently they're a subscriber and they're watching my. I keep calling it a stream, and I'm pretty sure it's a premiere since I just premiered something. But I'm like super confused right now. And like, the person seems nice. Like this, but like, asking to get claims, like, and I, like, no offense to anybody, but like, I'm not going to give claims away. I just don't really trust with that because like, then they can like access all my stuff. I give them a bunch of stuff because I have a bunch of extra, so like, why would I keep them? But like, also like, again, as I said in last episode, somebody literally threatened to blow up my base. So I'm just not in that trusting place right now. And I told them that, and they said, "Don't worry, I'm a subscriber. I would never do that." I mean, I believe them. I believe they would never do that. I just can't trust. It's just not something I can do at this point. One, two, three, four. I wonder if they're still at my base. Hopefully not. Because, like, I don't want to make them feel bad with me saying no. And I also did just get kicked for anti-cheat, so for some reason. Oh. Um. Okay. Uh. I mean, Now they're kind of freaking me out. I'm just going to pretend I'm AFK. I don't know, like, they seem really nice, but, like, also, I know people on the internet, they scam, they do a bunch of stuff. I just don't trust. Sega, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I'm just at a point right now where I just can't trust. I used to play a game where, like, you could trade stuff, and there are so many scammers, and I just can't trust anything right now, honestly. Even if you're a subscriber, I just can't. Okay, well, I'm just going to continue to build the stations then. Why, hello there. The army is coming. Leave me alone, please. Where's my sword? Sword. I'm way better at PvP because I keep doing Mob Arena, so I finally know what I'm doing. And then I try to go in a duel with somebody and lose miserably, but hey. I'm going to run for 2 years on the server for levels in PvP like I did on Bedrock. I don't know what to build. It's like, you know, I have done. Also, the person, Siga, if you're watching this, please don't shout out my YouTube channel. They literally were like, I'm Lucky Goldblum, I'm watching your stream right now. There is like a lot of other people on the server right now, a lot of which who, like, I mean, they've seen me around. I wouldn't say know me. But, like, I'd really appreciate it if you just didn't, like, shout out my YouTube channel. I am AFK. I am AFK. I am totally AFK. You know, before I end this video, I'm just going to say sorry back from being AFK. This is like the little train station at work I'm going for. And then over here, I think I'm going to, I mean, it's kind of small for a bench. So I'll just expand it one. I'm not in a trusting place right now. So I just really want to make that clear. And I feel really bad for not responding right now, but like also like the whole place, I want to fill it up with like new buildings and stuff, and so that's a sicker person. They just joined like a few minutes ago. So I'm currently wondering if they joined because they saw me on the server, I guess. Like, I want to know. At the same time, I don't want to know. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Okay, I think this looks pretty cute for like a little train station. Maybe I could add like a lantern hanging in there. I don't have any gold. I'm like, if you're watching this, just please understand that I'm just not trusting right now. Maybe at like a later date, but right now, no. It'd be really funny though if like I logged on one day and then like everybody like was like, "Hey!" I'm just sitting here like, how? I mean, I feel like that would be funny until it actually happens, and I'd be sitting there panicking. Oops, little train station that we sit at. Okay, so let's take this thing. Rockets. I finish this train station. I think that's going to be the end of this episode, honestly. I'm calling it an episode because I don't know what else to call it. Video? I mean, but like, I feel like I've been on the server for so long, like, I'm almost at a full, like, day of playing time, actually. It's such fun. Over there. Have I had it yet? Nope, 15 more minutes. It'd be really funny though if the six person only joined though to like meet me, I guess. Even though I feel bad because I feel like I'm being such a bad person right now for like not like responding to them. I feel really bad about it, but like all the stuff that they're asking, I feel is like a little straightforward and a little too much. So I mean, I'm still going to feel like a bad person about it, but I do have my limits. I'm still going to say back from AFK because, like, I just don't want them to feel like I've been ignoring them. But at the same time, they're probably going to ask for the stuff again, and I don't want to tell them no. But at the same time, I feel like I have to, or else something is going to happen. I have no idea though. I did not actually mean to get a perfect amount, but it's amazing. Oh. Typically, I'm just trying to like talking to myself, but also at the same time like sitting here like, what do I do now? The train station is about to be complete. Yeah, just have a wall. Actually, wait, no, it doesn't on the other side. It has there. Next, the bench, and then finishing touches. And that is the train station for right now. I probably should have checked if the train actually fits in here. Barely, but whatever. I want to take this train back actually, and I'll do my outro on it. So, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. If you want to see more content on Mine Superior, then, I don't know, leave a comment, I guess. Also, if you like my content, consider subscribing, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!